Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a general reading. This is a no contact reading for Capricorn, and this is a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Alright, so in this reading we will see the current overall energy of this connection, the person's energy, your energy, and the advice for you. Alright, so let's see. Okay, as I said, this is a general reading, so please take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's see what is the current energy in this connection. What is the current energy in this connection? What is the current energy in this connection for you, Capricorn? The rose can be reversed, so alright, so see how you connect with it. Alright, so here the feeling is on focusing on what is gone. Maybe you had a very good connection with this person. This person may have a very good connection with you. At an emotional level you connected very well with each other, and now the focus is on you have lost a very important connection in your life. Sometimes you need to change your perspective and see what is already available to you. Okay, if you keep your focus on what is gone, you will never attract the positive and the new things in your life. Okay, so just try to change your perspective. It's not easy, I know, but sometimes to come out of a situation you need to change your perspective so that you can move on in your life if the situation is not in your hands anymore. Okay, all right, let's see what does this person think about you, Capricorn. What does this person think about you, Capricorn? Okay, we'll take both. The person think you are a very happy going person, but you do not, you're not able, they or you are not able to decide what do you want in your life. It's like you have closed your eyes and not seeing things and not able to make a decision. But this person basically thinks that you are a very happy going person, you trust the universe, okay, you listen to your intuition, but this time for some or the other reason you are on a crossroad to make a choice, and basically not able to decide and whether you need to take a left or right, and that is what is making you stuck here. What does this person feel for you, Capricorn? What does this person feel for you? And because you are not able to decide here, this person is somewhere, having that feeling that you or they have lost, you have lost one another because of that indecisive thing. This person definitely wants to have a very good connection with you. They think of having a family with you. For very few of you, I feel that because you are in a family where you kind of follow family tradition and a family legacy, you are not able to make a choice between your family and the person you are in love with or you want to be with. That also I feel, but you have the support of the family. You just need to listen to your intuition, what your intuition is saying. Okay, just see what you want in your life very clearly. Listen to your intuition, listen to your inner voice. It's a very silent kind of whisper. Only one time it happens. That is the inner voice. Okay, let's see what is blocking this connection, why this person has gone silent here. Okay, the person feels left out because you are not able to decide. This person feels left out, and that is what the current energy is, right? 5 of Cups, this person is feeling lost, and this is confirmed by this 5 of Pentacles. The person feels left out in the cold. You are not supporting this person, you are not giving emotional support to them, and this is what they did not expect in this connection, and that is why they are silent. They are not seeing things from different perspective, but there are emotions involved in this connection. This person has a lot of love towards you, or you have a lot of love towards this person, but given not able to decide is kind of blocking this connection. Let's see what is even coming ahead. Will this person reach out to you? Can you expect a communication in next 10 to 15 days here, Capricorn? Can you expect a communication in next 10 to 15 days? What is happening in the next 10 to 15 days, Capricorn? Right. Yes, this person is not able to sleep basically because of all this, This person is not able to sleep. They may have isolated themselves, or you have isolated themselves from everyone around and trying to figure out what do you want. And because of that, you're not able to sleep, you're not able to think properly, you're not able to express what is running in your mind. And this is kind of causing, if the communication is coming, which I see may not be in the next 15 days, but definitely this person is trying to reach out to you so that they can express themselves, talk it out, and try to explain, but they are not sure of how they should communicate, what they have to communicate. They are kind of keeping themselves alone from the crowd and everything. Yeah. Okay, let's see what is the advice for you here, Capricorn. What is the advice for you here, Capricorn? What is happening? What is the advice for you here, Capricorn? The advice for the Capricorn, please. What's the advice for Capricorn? Okay, Ace of Pentacles. Focus on your work, focus on your growth. Don't get yourself involved too much into this, because bottom of the deck we have the Magician card. You have everything. You know what you want in your life. It's just that you need to be very careful about the choice you have to make, because the advice for you here is to focus on your work, focus on your money, focus on your growth, work on yourself, work towards what's bring peace in your life, mental peace, emotional peace. Okay, just focus towards it and work towards it, because once you have that mental peace, mental clarity, emotional peace, then only you can make the best of whatever you have, right? So focus on that and work towards what brings you happiness and peace and growth. All right, that's the message, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.